Hi viewers, in this presentation we are going to see what is data collection. So in previous presentation have given certain small introduction regarding the statistics, and also let us discuss about the concept of statistics. So before going for that concepts of statistics we need the data collection, so then only we can able to apply all the concepts in the statistics. So what is data collection, what is data? So in order to make a research on certain thing, we need to collect the data related to that particular research topic. So how we need to collect, what is the data? Let us see. First of all, we need to understand what is population or universe. Population, in the sense, in this the group of individuals under study is called population. Infinite or finite, they are saying that population may be finite or infinite. So what is population? In the sense, if we need to make an research, means we are going for the human part only, so we are getting the information from the human. So so that particular population where we are choosing, that is our target. For example, let me say, for me, I'm going to take the marketing strategies of the so and so product. In the sense, I want to choose a particular area, since we cannot according to our studies detail, the target population may be differ. So let me, I am going to take that Tuticorin district. In the sense, in this district there are many taluks are there. So or we can't able to get everyone's opinion for that research. It is impossible for us, it is infinite population too. So for that we are for representing this total population, we are getting small sample from that population in order to identify the conclusions. So my target population is Tuticorin district. In that district, I am going to having a certain sample. Let me say maybe Trichandur, Kovilpatti and Srivegundam. These three areas I am going to taking as a sample, and I am going to make my study. That is sample. So that area individual alone we are selecting, maybe the our sample size may be 1,000. So sample, in the sense, is finite subset of individuals in a population is called a sample. So we can able to count, that is sample. So I am taking a sample from where in the Tuticorin district, in the sense Trichandur, Kovilpatti and Srivegundam taluks. So in there I'm going to get totally my sample size is 1,500. So 500 from Tirthanju, 500 from Kovilpatti and 500 from Srivegundam. So the number of individual in a sample is called the sample size. So we are saying that, naming it as sample size. The minimum sample size should be 30. So more than 30 we can have any number of sample sizes. So for making a research, first of all we need to identify our population. Target population is what, and then we cannot make it, since it is infinite, we are selecting a sample. Further proceeding, we are having a sample from that population, and we are starting our research. So we are collecting the data. So by fixing, after fixing the population and the sample, we are getting the data from that particular sample we have chosen, sample size chosen. So how we can collect the data, what are all the ways to collect the data? In the sense, there are two types, primary data and the secondary data. So primary data, in the sense, we are collecting for first time fresh content. So we are directly going and collecting the data, and it is original in character. It is raw data, fresh content we are collecting from the primary data. Then secondary data, in the sense, it is already being collected by some other persons. He's, for him it may be a primary data, then from him we are taking, in the sense, it is secondary data for us. So it is already research made in that area by some other person, we are considering his conclusions, that is processed data. So we are using the another person's data is the secondary data. So by like these two ways we are going to collect the data. So in primary data, what are all the methods of collecting the data in the sense by observing? So for example, by observing the marketplace, I am going to see the marketing related means I want to observe the market area of that particular product what we have chosen, and by observing itself we are getting certain conclusions. It may be how much level we don't know, but we are getting that is observation. Next one in the sense interview. So we are interviewing certain target customers, and then we are getting their opinions. That is interview. By through interview we are getting, it is also directly made, so it is also a raw data. Then question, we are making certain questions related to our topic, and we are what are all we need to ask we are making in a questionnaire, and we are rotating between the sample size members, individuals. Then we are getting the questionnaires through questionnaire. It is also the raw data. Then databases, so local reports, they are having local reports, any bills, for example market sales bill for that particular month, and which product is mostly sold, like that also it is also a raw data. From that also we can able to have the particular uh, details. This is primary data. So secondary data in the sense it is already cooked, I mean already made, it is already made by someone else. It may be internal sources, it may be taken from internal sources or open access sources or published sources or syndicated sources. In the sense we are taking some data from internet or previous years reports, previous years articles, like that we are getting certain data as a secondary data. This is the two types of data we are collecting. One is primary data, raw data, and second one is secondary data. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.